From Florida is recognized for 2 minutes.
I'd like to thank my colleague from Colorado for yielding, and I want to recognize precisely what the gentleman from Maryland was talking about. I'd like to urge my colleagues to vote no on the previous question so we can get to this important issue. And I appreciate the gentleman from Texas's understanding of this, but I want to talk about the Homeowners Flood Insurance Affordability Act, which is a bipartisan bill which would delay crippling premium increases that are affecting people throughout South Florida and throughout the country. And I don't want to talk about specific people. Mr. Speaker, because of the raise of flood insurance rates, people are literally walking away from their homes. I recently spoke to Derek and Robin Menard. They had an increase because the property owner of where they rent put it on their bill, and so they could not afford to remain in South Florida because it just got too expensive. After 9 years of calling South Florida home, they were forced to move away. They're now forced to find jobs where they've moved to in Pennsylvania. They had to pull their little daughter, Millie, out of school, and she had to change friends and neighborhood. Mr. Speaker, this is not right, and while I recognize the gentleman from Texas wants to solve this, we have a bipartisan bill that was passed out of the Senate. We can pass this out now and then get to working on this problem before we hurt more people, before we force more people to move away from their community, their friends, their loved ones, due to these exorbitant insurance rates. So for this reason, I urge my colleagues to defeat the previous question so we can pass a bipartisan bill that makes common sense and provides a solution and much needed relief to policyholders. Mr. Speaker, I yield back the balance of our time.